Suryadatta Education Foundation is established in the year 1999
and was conceptualized with the idea of giving world-class education to the youth of India and for students outside India too.
Our syllabus is integrated with industry expectation because once every 2 years we kind of ensure to upgrade our syllabus so that after our students pass out and go to corporate, they don't find any difference. So it's an industry specific syllabus.
Keeping in that mind, our curriculum is so designed that when our students go for the career in industry, they find it quite comfortable, and that helps them and us also to bring a brand and to make them a very profitable and future career.
And this college is given a practical knowledge to students to work in the industries, and they are giving a very talent or the information which is very required in our future and in our career.
The infrastructure facilities available at Suryadatta are of world-class standard. Basically, we offer enriching environment.
The best infrastructure, high technology laboratories and the well-equipped libraries are helping our faculty and the teachers and the students to provide the needed for the youth of today. In our college, it's not only the academics which we promote, it's the other things like sports, health, fitness, overall personality development, which leads to the holistic development of the child.
At Suryadatta, we have well-equipped gym, we have well-equipped yoga class section, we have Zumba and various other dance forms training programs, music programs, indoor and outdoor games, because health is of utmost important, and if the student spends minimum 1 hour for his overall health development, his body will work rest of the 23 hours more effectively. So with this principle and thought process in mind, we encourage our students to participate and get involved into various extracurricular, co-curricular and sports and fitness related activities.
There are a lot of special and very specific customized training programs for students. We are talking about personality development, we are talking about soft skills, we are talking about behavioral areas.
Yes, I can tell if anybody really likes and excited about this course, Suryadatta College is very good, good option for them to join that, and because of managing everything, everything is fine and everything is good for study and practical and about everything. Everything is available here and they can study easily.
As regard placement at Suryadatta we have, you can say the tie-up or empanelment with more than 700 plus companies from different sectors.
By the time they come in the final semester, they have already cleared a lot of areas and they've also gained a lot of confidence. And fourth semester is when their actual finishing final range happens. Of course, etiquette and all those things are also part of it. So by the time they are in fourth semester, they are totally placeable.
Thus, Suryadatta is the right place for students to come and capture the required things what they need for their future.